Hey everybody, real quick video here. My next project, so nice bird's eye view of the neighborhood. Kind of see what's going on here. But real quickly, I'm big on curb appeal projects, stuff that's gonna really enhance the overall appeal of everything and look a lot different and better. So since we have the black and wood theme going on, a combination on the trims of the house, the shutters, and up front and the landscaping, wanted to paint the chimney. So this is the original color. I don't know, just like an old grayish color. So I'm using, for painting, I'm using the Behr exterior paint and primer. Just the exterior flat black. This stuff is really good paint. I've used it on a lot of outdoor projects before. It's worked well, of course, with porous surfaces like brick. As you can tell, I only did one coat already. So you really have to put this stuff on real thick because it's so porous. So, for example, after I already painted everything down here, what you have to do is really use the tip of it and then dab it on real thick. So the edge of the brush to really get in some of there. It's gonna need a couple good coats because this stuff is definitely real porous and it takes a lot, but this stuff has good coverage, so it's really good paint. And I'm gonna paint down here too, so make it look good. Gotta do a second coat up there. This top here, you can't even really see it, so I'll probably just leave it. Can't see it from the street or anything. So all in all, that's my project, and it looks a lot better. It's more enhanced, so really noticeable difference. So if you're thinking about it, get some good paint and do it. Nice simple project. Oh, you know what, I could do that bathroom spout too, that vent spout. I might do that too. But yeah, there's always projects you can do. So that's my project. If you ever thought about doing this or whatever, but it looks really good so far. So stay tuned for more videos. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.